Hi folks, my name's Watto and I wander about. This is Dad. Say hello, Dad.
Hello, Dad.
That's Dad, he wanders about as well. We're outside Stonehouse just having a quick look along a stretch of the Stroud Canal. Just having a look, see what another bit of it being restored. So far so good. I've lost him. Where is he? There he is. Nice little spot. It's a little piece of the canal that's obviously being restored. Obviously the Stroud navigation runs from Cotswold Junction, where it used to go into the River Severn. Doesn't now. And it runs all the way up into the Thames and Severn Canal, which links up with the Thames. We will walk it one day, the whole length. But at the moment we're just having a little stroll out because the weather's nice. A bit more overgrown along this bit, past Pikes Bridge. Can't really go too far today because this old boy's stumbling about a bit on this path. But yeah, it's quite nice. Definitely worth walking a bit more further along. A little piece of the English countryside on a cold, very cold November morning. That needs a bit of work restoring this bit. I think they are gradually working their way along it, the Cotswold Canals Trust. I think they're going to try and make it navigable all the way from Cotswold Junction and right the way through. can only guess, but this looks like an old lockkeeper's cottage to me. Judging by the construction of it and the proximity to the side of the canal, got to be. The canal one side, and this here is a levelling weir which helps control the level of the canal. Here you've got an old slipway which you get boats in and out of the canal. Nice little family of ducks there going about their business. Is it? Oh yeah. I'm glad you noticed.
That's what it says.
Right, so this is called Blunder Lock, as Dad's just pointed out, because it says over there. Clever, ain't you?
Yeah.
See, he's proper switched on. It'd be a bit of a blunder if you fell in, really. I think so. Well, very enjoyable little walk so far.
Yeah.
We wandered down, not very long. Just a little womble, as opposed to a wander, with Dad. So we're going to leave you there for now, so if you've enjoyed it, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, drop us a comment below. We'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye, Dad.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Dad.